Hi, I'm Selena and today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy homemade rusks. On my channel, Healthy Bub Grub, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare healthy, nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you see today, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel because it really helps me get my channel going and will help get it off the ground and be able to keep it going. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. As always, if you're concerned about allergies, please seek the advice of an appropriate healthcare professional. These rusks are great if your little one is teething, and they also make a really great hard munchables snack. Okay, let's get started. So you'll need a half a cup of almond meal, a half a cup of wholemeal flour, a cup of oats, 1 ripe banana, a quarter of a cup of apple and pear puree, a tablespoon of coconut oil and a pinch of cinnamon. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a baking tray. Preheat your oven to 180 or 160 for fan forced. Once the oven is set, mash the banana well with a fork, and then we're going to add to the banana the apple and pear puree, which you can find the recipe for on my other video, Puree 4 Ways. Now you can add the remaining ingredients and stir well until thoroughly mixed. You want the consistency to be a sticky dough, but not too sticky because you want to be able to easily roll it out. If you need to, you can add a little bit more flour. Once the dough is ready, roll it into a ball and turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. I've divided the dough into two, and now you just want to roll it out into a long log that's about 2 to 3 centimeters in thickness. Once rolled out, cut the dough into good sized pieces that are good for little hands to be able to hold. I just use the first piece as a reference to cut them so that they're all the same size. Now you want to flatten them slightly with your fingers, and then you can put them on a lined baking tray and pop them straight into the oven. Now you want to leave them to bake for about 40 minutes until they're golden brown and nice and hard. Okay, so I've probably left mine in for a little bit too long. They're a little bit browner than I would like. Ideally you would want them a little bit lighter in colour. They still tasted great though, because my little one has been enjoying them and they're perfect for teething. This type of finger food is a choking hazard, so as always make sure that your child is supervised. They'll store in an airtight container for about a week, otherwise you can store them in a Ziploc bag in the freezer for up to 2 months. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode and found it useful. Please let me know in the comments, and let me know if your little one enjoyed the rusks as much as my little one does. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again. Don't forget